I used to start almost every single video of me walking down this hill, talking about where I'm going, what I'm gonna do the rest of the day. I don't really do that often anymore, but it's nice to go back. Right now I'm going to the doctor. Coach Jordan is picking me up and taking me because I'm 12 years old and I can't go to the doctor on my own. Thanks, Coach. I gotta get my stitches taken out, giving the camera to Jordan to see what he can do with it.
This is the second time getting my stitches out in Germany now. Where's my hand?
Oh yeah, that's right.
Now my shoulder.
We got one troublemaker that won't come out. That is in my shoulder. It's part of me now. Done with the doctor, and of course it's raining. I'm this sweaty from walking, power walking for 20 minutes.
These in before
Okay.
bring everything
Okay.
You guys want any help?
together.
Birgit? AB? Pat? You want my help?
Good.
Why?
I'm not allowed to help because of my last performance, apparently. Okay, I'll go.
It's pretty sad. It's pretty sad.
Tried my best. I'll just go downstairs. Good luck!
Hey, get out of here, man.
What?